What's going on, you guys? I hope you guys are all having a great morning, evening, or afternoon, whenever you may be watching this video. So I know how much you guys love exhaust videos, and I figured I'd meet up with one of the homies who also has a GR86 and make a little like exhaust comparison video for you guys. You guys have heard me say it countless times that I plan on getting unequal length headers for this car. So I figured, why not make a little like a comparison video of what my catback exhaust sounds like compared to some other exhaust setups that are on the market for these cars. So with that being said, let's get the car all warmed up and then we'll head out to the gas station. That way we can go meet up with the homie. Yeah, man, just a tad bit.
Just a little bit. Yo, I'm liking the color, bro. This shit is
Appreciate it, brother. Thank you, man. Thank you.
86 I've seen in a long
Thank
time.
you, dude. That means a lot to me, brother. Thank you, bro. Hell yeah, bro. Thank you. Hell yeah. So I was gonna go to the gas station, but I mean, I already have like maybe like a little bit more than a quarter worth of gas. So I figured I'd just go and meet up with him instead. I'm about to pull up to it right now. We're both gonna meet here, and then probably like 5 minutes down the road, there's gonna be a location where we can actually do this at. So I'll pick up the camera once we actually get to that location, and I'll show you guys him in his car. Look who it is pulling up. Damn, that shit looks fire, bro. That shit looks so clean. Oh my God, I love how that thing looks. All right, so I met up with the homie. You want to tell him who you are and what kind of exhaust setup you have on the car?
All right, so my name is Jay. I go by Hobby, but I go by Jay as well. So the exhaust that I have on my car, I got the MXP comp exhaust. Quick little story about it. When I bought the car back in May, it already came with it. But if you look closely, you can't really tell what, like where the name is at and stuff like that. So it took me about 2 months to find out what type of exhaust
Trying to figure it out.
Just like trying to like just play it off like yeah I got an exhaust, until one day I decided to go underneath the hood. Well, not the hood, but
underneath the car. Yeah.
And then I found out it was the MXP comp.
Dude,
it's not, you know, it's not bad, it's not great, but I like it. It has a good sound to it. One exhaust I do want to get is the one that you have, which is the
AWE track.
That one.
Dude, yeah, I love how my exhaust sounds. It's probably, for catback wise, it's probably one of the louder exhausts that you can go with.
Yeah.
But once I get headers on the car, I might need to change it because they have the track and then they also have the touring, so they're kind of like interchangeable. So
for me, like if I decide to put it on my car, I think I'd rather just stick with the track.
Yeah.
Just because, like, knowing me, I don't want to put too much into it.
Yeah, I feel you.
It's kind of overdoing it for me, like in my opinion.
Yeah.
The track does sound nice on yours.
Yeah, I love how mine sounds. It's like the perfect tone for like what I'm going for right now.
The only thing that sucks about the damn fucking car is that when it's on manual, which is I got the auto, this shit was a fucking pop on my car.
That's the only thing. That's the only problem about like autos versus like manuals is they're really hard to get them to like pop and like backfire and stuff like that. But I mean,
don't get me wrong, bro. Like at the end of the day, it's still a nice car.
Yeah, and your exhaust sounds so nice. It has like that nice, really like good Subi rumble, which I think sounds really nice.
I thought about getting headers at first, but I was like, I might wait on that.
Yeah, there's always time, man. You don't gotta all rush anything, you know.
With like when I really thought about it, damn, like I can really put some headers into it, but it is a lot of work, especially if we're going to be in an auto. So I'm like, you can always,
just take your time with it, bro. Just see how it goes. Enjoy the car how it sits right now. I see you obviously got these wheels. I saw at the last car meet, man. They look so nice. I love how the black wheels look, bro.
The Avid ones with Continentals, like tires.
Dude.
235s, all fours.
They look Clean, bro. I love it.
About 18.5.
That's so nice, man. Especially with all the other black accents that come with like the car and everything.
Yeah.
They fit it perfectly, bro.
The only like one thing I really wish that they did for the base models, and like this goes towards Toyota too. Like no disrespect, no stuff, but I feel like for a base and a premium model, they should have gone in the seats leather.
Yeah, yeah, the interior.
Yeah.
I feel like that was a little bit thing that they were kind of lacking with, but you know,
because at first it's like the Alcantara. Is it Alcantara?
I think so. Yeah, yeah.
The Alcantara with leather. That's fire. But I feel like if they could have done like full leather as a premium, and
they give it like that nice option, you know, like, just make it that little much more special.
That's another thing I have to probably worry about.
Yeah, like the interior and everything like that. I'm gonna probably try and get that sort of next, like get a couple upgrades and stuff like that.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely just a little tad bit louder. That sounded good. right, you guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the little exhaust comparison. Big thanks to Jay for coming out and doing the video with me. If you guys want to follow him, I'll leave all of his social media on the page right here. And
follow me on Instagram. I got two. I got it's_basicj, and I also have another one. It's basic_GR86. That's the car page. That was my primary page. I'm gonna change it up soon. Don't worry. Don't get at me. I'm gonna change it for you soon. But like, comment, subscribe. You guys already know the deal.
You got a TikTok too, right?
I do got a TikTok.
Make sure to go follow him on TikTok, man. Follow
all
him
the
on
links
TikTok.
down below. all of them.
It's basic J with 3 Y's. So if y'all caught that before he puts the subtitles in, y'all good, all right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like down below. Subscribe if you guys aren't already. And leave a comment down below what kind of video ideas you guys would like to see. I'm always trying to read all the comments. I'm always trying to reply to them as well. If you guys enjoyed the video, hope you guys did.
Don't
Take
forget
care.
the kicks.
Oh!